Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to analyze a stock called Avental. I feel that it is a potential stock because it has come nearly out of a triangle pattern, and let me explain you in detail about where we could enter, where we could place our stop loss and everything. Before that, I would like to clarify that this is not a call. Please do not blindly buy it just because I came up with a video on this stock. Please make sure to analyze on your own and see if this is really making sense to you, and then you can invest. Before I explain you anything, please make sure to like this video, and also if you want similar video like this, please comment yes, and also please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hello guys, so this is Avental chart in daily time frame, and as you can see here that I've drawn a triangle pattern in Avental chart. Let's go back a little bit before I explain. Let's go back a bit and see how Avental has performed in the past, and what we could learn from the past. Okay, so right from March 20, you can see that Avental has been on a very good trend. That is one major important point that to be noted. And if you look at this, it has consolidated a lot from September 20 till January 21. And after that it has started to go up, and then again a consolidation, again a rally, small rally, again a consolidation. So when this pattern was broken, right, again a consolidation, again a wonderful move, right? Consolidation, right? Look at this pattern, triangle pattern. So all we need is channel pattern and triangle pattern to make a living out of trading. That is what I've been doing. And look at this, there was a gap up and it closed very strong, right? A very good rally, and then again a consolidation. And right now what is happening, it is again trying to break out. Okay, so let's switch this into weekly. I do think that this is similar kind of pattern is happening, and the close was very strong today. I think it hits the upper circuit today in Avental stock 10%. And if you look at the bottom, there has been a heavy buying around this area, and this solid buying confirms that at least it has to touch the all-time high, which is like 30%. So even if I get half of that, I'll be happy. So as far as the stop loss is concerned, the most ideal stop loss is below this candle, definitely. And if you feel that 10% is too much of stop loss, what you have to do is reduce your quantity. Let's say you were planning to allocate 20,000 or 30,000. So what you can do is to minimize your risk. You have to reduce your quantity, probably invest 13,000-14,000 or 15,000, so that you can keep a wide stop loss, because here I would not keep the stop loss below this trend line. Okay, so if the stop loss is set, that's completely fine, because these patterns are not 100%, and it is okay, but most likely let's hope that there is a very good breakout. The minimal, at least the minimal would be this, which is 335. The first target would be 306, and then 335, and then 363. Okay, this is as per the past. It has worked. I think it should work here also. Who knows, I could be wrong. And if you ask me if I have invested, I don't have any answer for that. I honestly cannot answer that, because if I say yes, there will be a lot of comments. If I say no, there will be a lot of comments which are unnecessary. So let's say that this is just an analysis video which will help many traders. Okay, if you are someone who is looking for call, and if you are someone who's going to invest just like that because I uploaded a video, this is not the right channel for you. If you are new to this channel, what I would advise is go through all my videos from the beginning, so that you get an idea as to what I do personally and how I trade, and from that you can make use of these videos. Okay, so I think that would be all, guys. I feel that Aventel has a good potential, and today's close is very good. I feel that the momentum should continue as far as the past performance is considered. Okay, so please do not forget to like this video. That is the the least thing you could do for me. It's not going to take much of your energy. You just have to click it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and also please comment yes if you want a similar video like this. I will be happy to upload. Okay, so thank you so much. And also, if you want to be a part of our community so that you can trade stocks like this, we come across stocks like this every day, and we trade patterns like this. Okay, so if you want to join, go to my website justfortraders.in. Okay, thank you so much.